This one is making the party.
Okay.
All right, so
I'm
the
taking
pie
a deep
dishes.
breath.
So covered Figural pie dish. You know why I love them? Because my regular pie dish just sits in my cabinet all year round.
Of course it does.
This one I would leave out all season.
And you haven't even seen the best part of it because I've been keeping it from you.
Okay,
so this is part of our limited edition collection.
Okay.
That means that we will not create this again. So we worked with QVC, which I absolutely love, with our buying teams to create those signature one-of-a-kind pieces that will never be duplicated. So it's pretty much like you break the mold and that's the end of it. So let's start with the top here, completely sculptural. That means that I can run my nails and everywhere there's a pumpkin, everywhere there's a leaf, not only do you have the real-life painting and the different color variations, but you have the life-like detail.
Even the pumpkin.
Isn't that stunning?
Oh my God.
Then you have the fluting that's going to run around the edges that has that braided detail. On the outside, you have a fall fetty motif painted for when you're using the pie dish. And now take a peek. Not only do I have that pumpkin finial, but when I take that lid off, we have a beautiful scene inside. Much like we do our holiday, where we now have our harvest, where we have our adorable owl sitting up in the tree. He just came out of his little nook in his beautiful tree where all the leaves are falling off. We have the apple crates, we have the pumpkins, we have the little wagon that has our old world and our floral lace. So all of the detail you've come to expect from Temp-tations now in a signature harvest design.
By the way, this is meant for you to use and
100%.
enjoy. And when you are baking a pie in here, like you can get an extra deep dish, right? Like a chicken pot pie.
You're absolutely right.
A really stuffed apple pie. The fluting on the edge helps you with your pie crust, and it is just perfection.
Okay. Ready? Let's move on over to our holiday. Our holiday has the festive fetty detail around the side, no matter which way you're looking at it. Then we adorn the top with that gorgeous wreath. You can actually see the striations of the leaves, the veins of the leaf. The ornaments are like hand placed and hand painted. And then your package is going to be the knob that you see there. So if you've picked up holiday, festive fetty, any of our holiday collections are whimsy characters. This will work perfect. And then, of course, we had to put your favorite scene, our gorgeous Christmas tree, decorated much like the wreath on top, our mailbox with the sweet cardinal I do in honor of my father. He truly watches over me all the time. And then that sleigh where we have the wrapped packages that the snowman and gingerbread were helping Santa with by the fireplace.
This is very, very popular. 6 payments of $5.66 goes away at the end of the day today, so take advantage of this. Try it out for yourself. I love the fact that here at QVC, we also have free exchanges, by the way. So if you pick up one and you say, oh, you know what, I think I should have gotten the other one, we'll actually take care of the exchange for you. We do that in fashion, we do that in beauty, we do that in everything where you have a choice. So if you're picking this up today, take advantage of that free exchanges that we bring to you here at QVC. Whoa, what's happening here? Wait,
you are hilarious.
Is this?
A deep dish pizza.
Oh,
you were talking about how this is a deep dish, and I love that. So look how beautiful that is with that crust that naturally folds over. Think about that with a pie dish. Are you thinking about making a deep dish pizza? Probably not, but with ours, you absolutely can. So when we do a limited edition, which we very rarely do, these are those pieces that we know once you get them home, you're going to absolutely love. Look at the slice here when we're talking about that 9-inch, but we're talking about that deep dish. First of all, it's stoneware. So you're going to get that even heating. You're going to get that easy release. So any of your baked goods, you're never going to have to worry about the performance of the baking piece. Yet you have all of the traditions and all of the holidays to now bake in or gift this, which I think is such a beautiful gift.
And I love the idea of how you did the gift over here. You did that slight gift wrap. Put some of your favorite chocolates on the inside. Maybe bake your own cookies. Bring it to someone's home if they've invited you over. I always have a family friend from California.
Yeah.
Her husband, and their dog actually always come over for every Thanksgiving. Right? Like, I mean, yeah, why not? He's part of the family.
Of course he is. I have 4. They would come too. You want to divide and conquer? You want to go to the oven?
Okay, sure.
You're going to go to the oven. I'm going to go to the fridge because I know we're running out of time, but I want to show you these pieces go in the oven up to 500 degrees, right? They're going to go in the fridge. They're going to go in the freezer. So even though it's a pie dish, no pressure.
Ooh.
What do you have?
Oh, I don't know what this is, but it's boiling.
It's scallops.
Ooh.
And so I love the fact that you have, and I'll get your oven door for you.
You will.
Thank you. I love the fact that Alberti, and it is bubbling, but he has that lid on there.
Yes,
You can put it right on the riser up there if
This
that's
one?
easier. Sure.
Thank you.
Take that lid off and let's enjoy a scallop pot. You all right?
Oh my God.
Ah, do it.
Can I do this? Oh.
Can we just talk about gorgeous scallops and baked potatoes layered inside there? Absolutely gorgeous. Oh, and P.S. and by the way,
Oh, that's beautiful.
I have the pumpkin
A gorgeous
pie.
pumpkin pie. All right, over 600 of these now picked up.
Thank you, everybody.
6 payments of $5.66 goes away at the end of the day today. By the way, if you love these gloves, go get them at QVC.com because they're an amazing price.
limited edition.
Yeah, here are your two choices. You have the Harvest. Harvest is very popular. We also have for you Holiday. Think about holidays coming up. I know that it may still be early for some people, but I think Christmas is like, it's like not even,
Someone posted it. It's like less than 100 days away.
yeah, like 80 or 90 days away.
Our,
Like that.
our producer doesn't want us to start
Okay,
counting.
all right. Well, okay,
Said forget it, it's not happening.
49194 is your. Frank is very serious about Christmas.
I get it.
Have you ever seen his house at Christmas
No, I've
time?
never been invited.
He does a whole spread. Frank, are you inviting us over for Christmas? Oh, we're
Oh,
invited
we
to
can
help
flip
the